Hi, this lesson is all about what we call prepositions. And we are focusing in particular in this tutorial on this preposition à, which means at, or it can mean to, as we'll see later. Okay, so prepositions, what are they? Well, in general, prepositions are these little words that show the relationship between two things. Relationship between two things. And that usually, well, not usually, but it can be used to show where something is. So show where something is. So we could have, for example, the cat is on the table, or the cat is next to the table. Okay, so those are underneath the table. All of those are prepositions. They're showing where something is. Now, there is an entire tutorial on these sorts of prepositions showing meaning in the vocabulary course, and there is another tutorial in terms of grammar showing what we call compound prepositions. This tutorial here is only going to be focusing on this little word at for this one, okay, in terms of the grammar behind it. So we're going to be focusing on a chap called François. So let me introduce you to François. Voilà. Il s'appelle François. Il a les yeux bleus. Il a un grand sourire. Il est très content. Voilà son nez. Okay. Il a les cheveux blonds. Voilà. Okay. Il s'appelle François. Okay. And we want to find out where François is. Okay, so where is François? And also, where is François going to? Okay, and both of those are going to involve us saying he's at somewhere. So where is he? He's at the cinema, he's at the shops. Where's he going? He's going to the shops, he's going to the cinema. Okay, and we're going to look at how we use this word à in those different instances. So let's focus on saying at. So my question is going to be, où est François? Où being where. So where is François? To start off with then, let's have François. He is at the cinema. So here's my preposition at. Okay, so let's see what happens. So he is, il est, at, I said was preposition à, didn't I? À. And then cinema is masculine singular, so it's going to be le cinéma. However, I can't say à le in French. Okay, I cannot have à and le together. Okay, à and le merge to form au. Okay, so I can't say il est à le cinéma. I have to say il est au cinéma. Il est au cinéma. He is at the cinema because cinema is a masculine singular noun, which means the à and the le merge to form this au. Il est au cinéma. Similarly, I could say il est au café. He's at the cafe. Il est au bowling. He's at the bowling alley. All of these, okay, are masculine singular nouns, which means the at and the in French merge to form au. So he is at the cinema. Il est au cinéma, or au café, au bowling. Let's find out what happens when he goes to a feminine singular place. Let's have, for example, at the station. He is at the station. So let's see what happens. Il est à, which I said was my preposition at, didn't I? And the station is feminine singular, la gare. Il est à la gare. Okay, no change. Okay, so at and the in this instance are à la gare. So au cinéma, because the à and the le merge, but à and la do not merge. We just leave them as à la gare. Il est à la gare. We could also have, for example, à la patinoire. Is that the ice skating rink? De la patinoire. Feminine singular place. Okay? Let's see what happens if he goes to a singular place that starts with a vowel or silent H. So let's have he is at school. Okay, so il est à. Now school is feminine singular. Let's just move it over a little bit with some space to write. Okay. Église. Now we know the in front of église is going to be L apostrophe because it starts with a vowel or silent H. Now if you're not sure about that, do go back and watch the lesson on definite and indefinite pronouns. Il est à l'église. Again, you'll be pleased to hear no merge here. So at, oh, I didn't say church, did I? Quite sorry, that's going to be my next example. He's at school. Il est à l'école. Sorry about that. Il est à l'école. Okay, so the à and the le do not merge. À l'école. And then as you got a little bit of a taster there, I was also going to suggest you could say he's at church. À l'église. And each time we just say à. So à l'école, à l'église. There. So there's no change there. Let's see what happens when we go somewhere that's plural. So he is at the shops. Okay. Now, shops here are masculine plural, but it doesn't matter whether the noun here is masculine or feminine plural. The way we do it is the same for both. So, il est. Okay. Now, we would say à les magasins. But, okay, we cannot say à les. The same way we can't say à le, we cannot say à les. À and les merge to form au. Okay, and au can be used for masculine or feminine plural places. Okay, so we have to say, let's write it down again underneath, il est au magasin. He is at the shops. So au being translated as at the, because my at and my the in the plural form have to merge. Il est au magasin. Okay, you could put that for any other plural place really. He's at the cafes, I mean, it's at the restaurants maybe. Maybe that sounds a bit more normal. So il est au restaurant. Okay, he's at the restaurants. Okay, we don't often say at the with a plural place, do we? Anything else we refer to in plural? So at the shops, he's at the... I can't really think of anything else, so we'll leave it like that for now. So all of those are at the. So we need to be very careful then, and remember that at the in masculine singular is au because it merges. Okay, we can also have. Let's just move my line down a little bit. A and L apostrophe for. So this one here is for masculine singular, sorry, a and le can be for masculine or feminine singular, starting with a vowel or silent H. We can have a, la for feminine singular place, and o for a masculine or feminine plural place. So they're the ones that we need to be very aware of. At the, au, al, à la, and au. So all of those mean at. So we've dealt with where is François. We want to perhaps find out now where François is going. Okay, so we're going to say he's going to somewhere. So my question is going to be où va François? Okay, where is François. Going, or going to. As opposed to this one up here, which was où est François, which is where is François. Okay, so now I want to say, where is he going to? Well, let's take, for example, we had he's at the cinema. Let's have he is going to the cinema. So here my preposition is to, and then we've got the cinema. And let's see what happens. So he is going, il va. And now the word in French for to is also the same as at. So it's à. Il va à, and then the cinema was le cinéma. Okay, but I hope I put my accent in the right place, wouldn't it? It's à. But what do we know? What do we learn up here? Let's go back. We said that we couldn't have à and le together. They do not go together. They merge to form au. Okay, so let's put our crosses through that, and it's going to be il va au cinéma. Il va au cinéma. So to the is also au. Okay. Let's see what happens if I want to say he's going to the station. As we had earlier, he's at the station. He is going. I can't spell in English this morning. He is going to the station. Il va, he is going, and to, à, and we knew the station from earlier was la gare, and we also learnt that à and la don't merge, so we can just leave it be. So to the is à la gare. We also had he is going to the church or the school. Let's have he's going to school. He is going. We do have to say to the school in French. We can't say he's going to school. So to the school, translated as il va à l'école, because it starts with a vowel. Remember, they don't merge, so to the is à and L apostrophe. And then we had an example of a plural place, didn't we? He was at the shops. Now let's have he is going to the shops. Well, he is going, il va, and to the shops. Well, shops we knew was magasin. And if you remember, we also said we can't say à les, could we? We couldn't say à les. À and les merge to form au. Okay, so it would be il va au magasin. I remember we can use that whether he's going to a masculine or feminine plural place. So to the in the plural is au, A-U-X. So if we look back up here, we said at the in French is translated as au, à la, and au. And that can also be translated as to the. So you might be thinking, well, how do I know when I'm going to say at the or to the? Well, it's going to be coming down to context, isn't it? Okay, if you read il est à la gare, he is, you can't say he is to the station. It only makes sense to say he is at the station. Similarly, he is to the cinema. No, it makes no sense. He is at the cinema. And if we look down here at these examples, where is François going? Well, we couldn't say he is going at the cinema. Il va, he is going at the cinema, makes no sense. He is going to the cinema. So my little preposition à up here can be translated as at or to, and it's really important that we remember, okay, that in the masculine singular form, it merges with the to form au, and in the plural form, it merges with the le to form au, A-U-X, okay, with the rest of the time, it doesn't merge, so we can just leave it be, okay, and I do believe that that's it, guys.